Ever wondered how your favorite product reaches you? How does that sleek smartphone or your beloved book travel from a manufacturing unit to your doorstep? Today, we unravel the magic behind this process, the backbone of commerce as we know it, the supply chain. Imagine a river. It starts small, with a single source, then it grows, branching out and moving through different terrains until it reaches its final destination. The supply chain operates in a similar fashion. It's a network of all the businesses involved in creating a product, from the raw material suppliers to the manufacturers and finally, to the retailers. The first component of this river-like network is procurement. It involves sourcing and purchasing raw materials. Think of it as the spring that feeds the river, providing the necessary components to start the journey. Procurement ensures that quality materials are acquired at the best possible price. Next comes production, the process of transforming these raw materials into the final product. It's the roaring waterfall, where all the elements combine and transform, guided by the skilled hands of workers and the precision of modern machinery. Following production is warehousing. Here, the products are stored and managed before they are dispatched for delivery. Picture a calm lake where the river's flow pauses, allowing for organization and preparation for the journey ahead. Then we arrive at distribution. This involves transporting the products from the warehouse to the retailers. It's the winding river, navigating through multiple paths, overcoming obstacles, and ensuring the products reach their intended destinations. Finally, the product reaches the retail stores, the end of the journey. This is where you come in, picking up your desired item off the shelf, the last ripple in our river analogy. In essence, the supply chain is a complex river system, flowing from procurement to retail. Every stage is crucial, and each contributes to the journey of getting your favorite products from their original source to your hands, ensuring you have what you need when you need it. To recap, the supply chain starts with procurement of raw materials, followed by their transformation into products during production. These products are then stored in warehouses before they're distributed to retailers. And finally, they reach you, completing the cycle. This intricate process is what keeps businesses running and customers satisfied. It is the unseen journey every product takes, a journey that ensures the rhythm of commerce continues uninterrupted. So next time you pick up your favorite product, remember the journey it took to reach you. Remember the river, remember the supply chain.